Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and it's exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel had to respond to this story post from Movado. Yeah, teacher say, no matter if a 2 million year me and ya go at it lyrically, I would never try to style your youth. I wouldn't do it. A corrupt mindset that. And you have that mindset. So that is why you would perceive what I am doing as the same thing. Now it all started, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel posted a pic of Dante and Little Vybz. And them younger, you know what I mean? I show the linkage, I show the connection. I say, in my own opinion, proving the point that even though the fathers might not have a certain personal agreement, and even though some might point out that this pic was taken during the time when Movado and teacher did good, you know what I mean? But anyway, still, I was not there when the pic was taken, so I'm not too sure of that. But I will say this, it shows that even though the father them not link, the youth them are linked, and them are the future generation of the nation, not just of music or of anything else. We are talking about citizens of this country. I'll show you, say, yo, you know what I mean? At the end of the day, we know that Vybz Kartel and Movado are good. And in the pictures we're going to see Vybz Kartel and Movado almost before the lyrical confrontation. But seeing the picture of Dante and Little Vybz, you know, it really a dancehall in a nostalgic mood. I say, yo, look at that. Some fans, however, did not readily recognize the photo as Mov's son. They realized a Little Vybz Kartel youth, but they never readily realized a Movado youth that are stand up in close proximity. As a matter of fact, they were photoed together. Yeah, the youth them apart during them time. They look like I did Little Vybz strong. I think I did one of Little Vybz birthday that. But it's a good vibe, good look. Fear Mov pre-it. Me I feel say, Mov like him still in feelings. Mov like him still deep within him feelings over this Jamil and Chronic Law and the few posts where Vybz Kartel did make. But why? Why him feel so strongly about the fact that Jamil, which is a big man, Jamil and a youth, and him say some things about the teacher, and the teacher post two things. First and foremost, the teacher say, "A true, you can't go a Zion and a frack," and a true, oh man, for go a Zion and wear frack. That not gonna work. So this teacher's statement was a true statement. The fact that Chronic Law made mention, so it sounds like it's a reference to a Chronic Law line. Whether that was the case, that never warrant Jamil's statement. So when teacher make two posts and say few things, I'm gonna say that even Jamil can't really get upset him. If he doesn't know, say, yo, this game relevance in the game, and him say what him say, and they must expect some, you know what I mean, repercussions for the transgression. He must expect that. So when I see Movado make some talk and like him in his feelings, I feel say wait, Movado, like you are seeking your relevance and you no plan to even go to the studio, because maybe Movado is residing overseas. So if he make music right now, two things will have to occur. Is either make a record a track and send the audio file to one of the producers, whether it based overseas or locally, and them do the rest. But that would mean he would need a songwriter for send him a song so him can voice it. Because if you go wait for him to write a song for voice it and next year something. So he need someone to write a song to him, send it go give him and so him can put it out. So maybe that is why him choose to respond via post and not on tracks. Everybody else advice them opinion on tracks. Vybz Kartel situation is a very unique situation, but you are recording artists residing overseas. It surprised me how no live a foreigner and now put in no work. What no want be the definition of a crop? So when you go a foreign, them call it the land of opportunity. And when you go over there and now make use of phone opportunity, when you now do no features with no big name, Mov signed to a major record label, but don't get it twisted, you never go foreign and then link up with Khalid. Khalid fly all the way out to come link him. And then have to drop him from the label because the song did not sell. How will songs sell when nobody really know you overseas and you now put out no hit song for them even get for know you? You feel like 3 song appeared and BET and you get booked for a couple big shows. Always remember, a Jamaicans do that for you. A Jamaicans lobby and request your song from 106, make them play I'm so special. A Jamaicans turn out of the shows then that you are booked for and real fear make Khalid sign you. At the end of the day, and at the fans, you owe it all to the fans by God blessing. But your work ethic rather, and your lyrical capacity as an artist, and not that make you a superstar. That's not what made you the Mov of today. And truth be told, who is Mov really? Mov's biggest accomplishment in a dancehall music is that him and another artist had a lyrical confrontation. Check it. Mov's biggest accomplishment is that him and one of the artists them who teach a robot. Is that really even an accolade? Same for Alkaline. Him known as the artist way talk something about teacher, use him style, never want to pay homage, and teacher alongside the whole dancehall industry that Robbie Moat. Same thing with Jamino. The amount of nation camp members Robbie Moat from Sparta Nation to 6 Nation. Yeah, from Gaza Sparta to Gaza 6. Them rub out Jamil already. And him still a forward up. The only person next to Robbie Moat is Popcorn. I say when him and Popcorn get into it, it's gonna be the last confrontation between him and any other artist. Because Popcorn is a pirate Jamie. And some people say still a pirate Jamie. Popcorn know all that we're going on. And if you don't want a song, we're gonna have gimmicks and funny night and the things that people laugh. Papi have something for Uno. Papi have something for Uno if I just don't want to take it. So I just Uno for the side. This is up for Uno to the side. But teacher, viewers and subscribers, he make him statement. You know what I mean? Vybz, I don't know why Vybz saying such a heated feelings for no say yo. The teacher posts him youth and post little vibes. And the two of them picture there. So we are trying to point out. Mov might try to say him a point at the fact that Dante is where he is right now. And little vibes they were him there. And that's true. But I don't feel like that at the vibe when teacher put up the picture. I don't feel so. For one thing, we don't do a ramp with the youth, with people and the youth. You understand? No, we don't do that something. Unless it's physical and it past that point, then there's no, you know what I mean? We can't really control that, so I just certain things just go on. But other than that, nobody is supposed to go to the, especially entertainers, who the only disagreement them have, even though it might have turned physically with no one there with different individuals. It started out as a musical competition, and a music competition should never affect your family in that matter. Never. We don't support that. So, you know, with that alone being said, the teachers responded to Mov and his story post. Some people feel them can say some things and it can go unanswered. No, teacher now do it. Teacher say will not have it. He must make sure, yeah. He must make sure say him point that out. Said even though we're not good on friendly terms, nah, this a youth. Nah, this your youth. I'm not like how Mov make a statement that about little youth. Mov go easy. I try to boy up Vybz Kartel. Mov go easy. I know you're heating and you're youth, you're defending. I'm glad to say you're not defending youth. Because some people don't expect that from you. I hope you know that. So I'm glad to see you actually you're not defending youth, even though you use it as a means to get some form of relevancy. And I think people say that you use the youth for do in your hometown community to try to maintain some level of dominance. That was wrong of you. And then now say the teacher posting picture you want to jump up and go on like Ray. You know go on man, if you don't want to be far when the convenient phone. You don't nobody soon. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding them now. If you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you if you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Yes, the like icon, the drop a like on the block, when like, the share icon is also there as well. Tell a friend. Tell them sister and brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reasons, join the discussion. The comment section is always open 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, so I better your comments there. You know, offsettings from I wanna need no ladder. My sentiments for you and yours that wanna live, love and prosper until the reason again.